Hello, my name is Ashley Cameron, and I will be teaching this Design Software Applications course, which will be learning about Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. You're welcome to call me Ashley. I graduated from Missouri Western in 2009 with a BFA in graphic design. After I graduated, I worked for an advertising agency for 7 years, and that's where I got a lot of great experience working on projects and learning the account management and workflow processes. That's also where I took the challenge to learn how to code and build websites so that I could run my own business like I do today, doing graphic design and web development and working directly with clients. I have 2 sons who are in elementary school, and my husband is an architect. I'm sure every instructor teaches this course differently, and each of you will have a diverse range of your experience using a computer and the software. Some of you may be using this for the first time, and others of you may have already used it before and just need the credit hours. And I use both Mac and PC operating systems, so I'll try to refer to both of those as I remember. Some of my goals this semester are for you to have fun, learn a lot, and get some practice in the process with various small exercises. I want to help you learn and become more comfortable with some of the common tools and techniques. I also want you to come away with at least a few creative and quality pieces that will benefit your portfolio and help you see the possibilities for composing and displaying your design work in the future. I hope that you'll have fun in the process. I know learning a new program can be frustrating and slow, but the more you use it, the better you'll become. All right, let's get into some information about the course. In Google Drive, you're going to find a syllabus, all the assignment instructions, exercise files, and very importantly, that's where you're going to hand in all of your work in the O3 hand-in folder. And then I've created a couple of subfolders within there for your section number, and that's mainly because this is the first time I've taught the course with 2 sections, so it's going to help me out a lot if you can please upload to your respective folder. There are 2 student class lists on Google Drive if you have a question about which course number you should submit to. You'll also find resources when applicable for assignments and Google Fonts that you can install as needed. The assignments and due dates will all be posted in Canvas. I just started using modules, and I think that's a really good way to organize some of the important documents and information as well as your assignments. For this class, you will want to have a hard drive, and you can also upload files to your personal Google Drive. You'll just want to make sure that your sync is turned on so you can access it from anywhere. And if you are working on campus, please make sure to save your files to a personal location, because from my understanding, files are deleted every evening from campus computers. I taught this online course once so far in the spring semester, and I'm estimating due dates for this semester to try to give you sufficient time for completion. I have all of the intro to Adobe Illustrators open for now, which is exercises 1 through 6. You may work ahead. However, I do want to stress that you don't just race ahead to complete the course like all in one day. I'll try to keep tabs on the submitted work and let you know if I have any suggestions for improvement before I submit a grade. I plan to open the Photoshop assignments around mid-semester. Part of the reason I don't want you to just race ahead is there are some assignments that are larger for this first half of the semester. Those are going to be exercise 5, which is a campfire illustration, and exercise 6 is a 2-part project with typography and a page layout poster for each. So I want to grade those as a whole to compare everybody's submissions. If you have any concerns or want me to take a look before I submit a grade, I can do that. I typically try to give suggestions and the opportunity for improvement before submitting a final grade. In the instruction files, I do note the files and how I want you to name those, and that's really important for getting into the practice of labeling your files and versioning them so you can keep track of revisions. There will be no quizzes this semester, and assignments are a variety of smaller exercises and some larger projects that'll take longer. In the instruction PDFs on the assignments, I note next to the video link how long the video tutorial is. In the video tutorials on YouTube, I've listed a table of contents with timestamps so that if you do need to rewatch part of it for how to do something, you can easily find it. If we ever need to have a meeting, we can set that up in Zoom, and I'm usually available about any time throughout the week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. It may be a question someone else has. I look forward to teaching you about Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, and it's my endeavor that you'll learn a lot, and I hope you have some fun in the process. I truly want everyone to do well in this class, so as long as you do all of your assignments and you give a good effort, you should do well. I was really proud of what students accomplished last semester, and for me, that's the greatest reward. So I'll be in touch with you soon, and I hope you have a great semester, and in the meantime, take care. Thanks.